Hi, today we'll be going over the service jack rod, what it is, its key features, how it benefits the technician, and how to use it safely and effectively with your service jack. When lifting a vehicle, safety and efficiency are critical. Traditional jack stands can take up space, slow down the process, and interrupt your workflow. The MAHLE service jack rod offers a simple yet innovative way to add mechanical support directly to your floor jack, helping increase stability and confidence while you work. The service jack rod is acting as a built-in mechanical support that locks at your chosen height even if hydraulic pressure is lost. MAHLE offers 3 different jack rod models. The SJR-S is standard with a 2-ton load rating and boasting up to a 3.5-ton with cross-pin mechanical connection. The SJR-DL or dual lever utilizes a dual lever mechanical linkage with no pin needed. And the SJR-XL or extra long is a great option for shops that often see vehicles with lifted suspensions. The SJR-XL has a mechanical locking lever for a 2-ton load rating and up to 3.5 tons with cross pin installed. The key benefit to using a service jack rod is that it eliminates the need for repositioning external support stands and provides the technician added peace of mind knowing your jack has complete support beyond the hydraulics. The service jack rod is a 100% mechanical device that supports your floor jack. Let's take a look on how it works. Begin by lifting the vehicle to the desired working height using your service jack. With the vehicle raised, align the jack rod to the service jack by clamping it down and extending it until it contacts and supports the jack lifting structure. To lock the service jack rod into place, simply release the clamp. To verify stability, lower the jack and the service jack rod will click into place. You can now perform whatever task you have and have zero concern about the floor jack failing you. To remove the service jack rod, simply actuate the jack to remove the weight from the service jack rod and remove the jack. The MAHLE service jack rod is light, compact, and a safe solution for the shop, the racetrack, and a mobile technician. If you have any questions about which service jack rod is best for your application or need help choosing the right solution, reach out to the MAHLE Service Solution Technical Support Team.